They get a hug if they came down from Sydney now. And one man came today and said, I'm spending 3 days down here just to give you people some business and some hope. And I said, thanks. My name is Sandra McCuaig, and our business here is called Bodalla Dairy, and we're in Eurobodalla on the South Coast. Bodalla has a special charm in that its streetscape still remains in 1870s style buildings, and people really appreciate that aspect of it. We started our business in 2008. White milk is really hard to make a living on, and if you make cheese or ice cream or milkshakes, you've got a better chance of keeping the milk here and making beautiful products. All the things in the Eurobodalla and along the South Coast, the things that really attract people are there. The beaches there, the golf courses, the food, the restaurants. It's beautiful and it's interesting for people to travel to.